In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Temu before it gets shipped. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that you effectively manage your orders, preventing any unwanted purchases from reaching your doorstep. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Temu homepage. This is the main page of the Temu platform where you typically begin your online shopping journey. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your account here. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the All Orders section. You can usually find this by looking for a tab or link labeled Orders or similar on the home page. This section contains a detailed list of every purchase you've made recently. Scroll through your listed orders to find the specific one you wish to cancel. This feature is incredibly handy, allowing a comprehensive view of everything you've ordered, helping you to keep track of your purchases effectively. Now, the key thing you need to remember is timing. Orders that have already been shipped cannot be canceled from this page, which is why it's essential to act promptly. As you browse through your orders, be on the lookout for a status label indicating whether your order has been shipped or is still awaiting shipment. If your desired order is yet to be shipped, you'll see an option to cancel it right there on the same screen. Go ahead and select that cancellation option. Confirm your action when prompted to ensure the process is completed. Sometimes there may be a brief survey or drop-down menu asking why you've decided to cancel. Your feedback during this stage is valuable to the platform, helping improve user experiences in the future, so feel free to provide honest input if you wish. It's as simple as that. Canceling an order on Temu before it ships can bring you peace of mind knowing you're in control of your purchases with just a few clicks. This process is quick, efficient, and a great way to manage your shopping experience more effectively, saving you both time and unnecessary hassle. Remember, always review your orders regularly and take action swiftly if you change your mind about a purchase. By staying on top of your orders, you help avoid unexpected deliveries. It's all about ensuring shopping remains a pleasant and stress-free experience for you. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling orders on Temu before they get shipped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!